I'm Neil.
I'm Olive.
And we're here to check out this thing here. This is the
karaoke set.
Colorful Portable Wireless Speakers. Okay, I think it's a single speaker. And try not to kill me, but let's open this.
I will not kill you.
I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can buy one for yourselves too. So be sure and get one. I don't think you actually pierced the...
I'm pretty sure I didn't do that correctly.
Oh, man.
Nope.
She learned that from her mom, how to open things with a knife.
Yeah, my mom is pretty
I
scary.
use scissors like
Normal
people. I even bought a few pairs of scissors to keep here, but nope. They
Look at this! It's styrofoam!
Styrofoam, yay! Oh, check this out. This is what it looks like.
Microphone.
Whoa, this is a big speaker. This is sweet. And we have a plug for it.
And this really cool microphone.
I think that's it. Oh yeah, sweet. Okay, so let's see how this thing works. Is there instructions?
Do you feel like charging it? Batteries. I think you have to put batteries in it.
Okay, here's our instructions. You're on the wrong side. We're not in the video. Here, let's move over.
Hi.
There we go. Okay.
We need batteries.
So this is what it looks like, do we? Uh-oh, what kind of batteries? We need double A.
I don't know.
We need...
How do you know it says double A?
Because I can just tell by looking at it what type it takes.
I think we have a couple of double A.
And then we have the USB cable, and let's see, how does this thing turn on?
I think that's the only type of battery we have. Or maybe we don't.
Yeah, I think you have double A's.
Welcome to use Colorful Lights Bluetooth speakers.
Ooh.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode!
Okay.
Okay, I found some.
Okay,
I
sweet.
think I got this. Right? No, wrong way.
No, that's the wrong way. That's, yeah,
That's the right way. Cool.
this is right. Okay, so check this out. It's got all the colors flashing and stuff. Oh, I hear you. Oh man, that's sweet.
Bam! Oh, maybe it's not going to go on.
It should go all the way. It's like the windscreen. Here.
There we go.
There, now we can do it outside. Now we look like professionals.
Hello, everybody.
Wow, that sounds echoey and good.
Okay,
Let's
hold
see.
on. That sounds cool.
That is pretty sweet.
Welcome to the NBA game.
Okay, so that is cool. Super loud.
I'm your host, Olive Riggins, and we're here to celebrate the Lakers and the
Okay, well check this out on the side here. It's got the buttons to make it do things. So I'm not sure exactly what these do.
Let's try them out!
Let's try them out. So if we push M.
Outdoor music mode.
Oh, now it's outdoor music mode.
Indoor music mode.
Indoor music mode.
Outdoor music mode.
I couldn't hear with that one. I think it's Bluetooth music mode.
Indoor music mode.
Oh, okay. So we have the modes.
mode.
Oh, and then we can play and pause and stuff like that. So if we connect it up to our phones, we could do it that way.
Okay, I'll go get my phone. We can
I
play
guess
this.
this is going to be the charger for it here. And
Oh!
I don't know what the TF slot means, but we'll figure this out here in a second. Let's see what it says. TF card. Oh, so you can put a TF card in there. I'm guessing that's like a little SD card probably will fit in there. And so we could Bluetooth it to like a phone or to something else. That would be sweet. And then listen to music. And this is super loud, so it's pretty cool. I like it. What do you think of this thing? Is it cool looking?
I'm going to be playing with this thing all night.
We'll be playing with this all night. We're going to keep Mom awake all night long.
All night long.
All night long.
All
Okay,
night.
so we're giving this thing a super thumbs up because it is just so cool.
Super thumbs up.
Super cool. And so here, this is what it is. And so we're going to be able to put a TF card in there. We're going to connect it to the phones, and we're just going to go crazy with this thing. So this is super awesome. I like the way it has a little carrying handle. Super convenient. Obviously, it runs off a battery, so we can just take it anywhere. So thumbs up. Links in the description. be sure to like this video, subscribe to
Like
my
this
channel.
video and subscribe to my channel and his channel.
And we'll subscribe to her channel too. You need a channel.
Yeah.
Okay. When she gets a channel, we'll subscribe to it.
I have a channel.
You do?
Yeah, it's called Live Free.
Oh, they're free.
Live Free.
There we go.
Look it up, guys.
Look it up.
Subscribe to my channel and his channel. And like and comment and follow. Wait. No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, follow, sing.
Okay.
Bye!